Hello everyone. Before I talk you through the CAD file for this Pocket NC Vise that I make, I'm going to show you three things. The first of all is where and how to download the file, then how to upload it to Fusion 360, and then also how to set your B-table offset. So firstly, if we head to my website, you'll find, it may not look exactly like this, but you'll find some download links, and what they do is you click on those, they'll take you to a Dropbox folder, and then you just select it for download from there. So if you're not using Fusion 360, there's the step files here, and if you are using Fusion 360, then click on this button and you'll get the Fusion 360 file, which is a bit better because it has kind of the bit of design history, which I'll get into later. So if you are using Fusion 360, click on this one and you can download it from there. Once you have downloaded it, then in Fusion 360 you simply hit upload, make sure you're in the right folder, and then hit upload, select the file from your documents, and then it'll appear here. Once it appears there, you can click on it and it'll open like this. So once you've done that, the final thing to do, the third thing, is to set your B-table offset, which is really important to do this, and then save the file. So your kind of master file has your B-table offset. So if you don't know what a B-table offset is, it's specific to every single machine. It's the kind of reference point that the machine uses for its movement, and the reason it's slightly different is because no machine is exactly the same. So its center of rotation around which all these axes move is ever so slightly different, and the way it's set is basically as a point, this point here, from the center of the table. So what I have done to try and make it as easy as possible to set up this file is put the sketch line in, and then I've added a parameter for the length of that line. So this is a sketch here, and in there this line has a dimension, and you can alter that dimension by going to change parameters, and this brings up your parameter table, and you just change this length here. So you'll find this dimension in the back of your quick start guide. It may have changed slightly from when I bought my Pocket NC, but somewhere you will have a dimension, and it'll probably be written down in the little booklet that comes with your machine, and you just take that dimension and put it in here. The dimension will be in inches. I'm in the UK, so I use the metric system, not the imperial measuring system, but it will be in inches because obviously this machine comes from America. In the back of your booklet, and I've put the unit in as inches here, so if you just type it in, you don't need to convert it or anything. It will automatically convert it to millimeters. Fusion actually works in millimeters anyway, so if you're working in inches, it actually in the background is converting inch measurements into millimeters. But yeah, you don't have to worry about converting it yourself. Just type in the inch measurement here and it will do what it needs to. So if you do open up this sketch, you'll see this dimension actually just automatically shows up in millimeters rather than inches, because it's doing that conversion for you. So once you've done that, save the file, and then that is your kind of master file set up. You can use it for all your CAD and CAM setups from then on without having to worry about that B-table offset, needing to change that again.